Hello everyone दोस्तों. So today we are going to do the analysis of electrical 2025 gate paper, and here we are going to tell you what weightage of each subject we were having in gate 2024 paper. So दोस्तों we will be comparing 2024 and 25 paper. Chandan sir is with me for doing the analysis. Sir, please.
So, if we compare with 2024 paper, so paper was similar to, in terms of questions, paper was similar to 2024 paper, sir. But the level was easy in 2025 compared to 2024. If we compare the questions in 2024, there were 5 questions of network theory, but in today's paper, there were 4 questions of network theory. Then we have digital electronics, where there were 3 questions in 2024. There are 2 questions in 2025. In analog electronics, there were 3 questions in 2024. Here we have 4 questions. Then in signal system 7, 6, control system 6 and then 7, power system 6 and 6, power electronics 7 and 4, electrical machine 4, and then here there are 6 questions. Measurement 2 question, 2 question, MFT 3 question, 2 question, mathematics 9 question in 2024, 6 question in 2025. In aptitude there were 10 questions in 2024 and then 10 question in 2025. So Siddharth sir, I'll ask you the difficulty level. If you compare the difficulty level of 2024 and 2025 paper, what is your comment?
So as per the analysis of all the main faculties of GATEwala, we did the analysis and we solved all the questions, and we found out that actually GATE 2025 paper was much easier than 24 paper. It was almost easy to moderate paper, and actually दोस्तों, if you do the analysis of this number of questions now, you will got to know that the number of questions in core subject, that is power electronics, power system and machine, is almost similar to non-core subjects, that is analog, signal and control. If you do the comparison, you will got to know that the number of questions in core and non-core are almost similar. So the weightage to core and non-core is almost same or equal in electrical paper. So all the students who are going to prepare for 2026 and 27 GATE exam, the suggestion from my side is that for electrical students, give equal weightage to core as well as non-core, because non-core subjects are there to help you, to support you. And this was also seen in GATE 2023 and 24 as well, that in the previous year 2 papers, 23 and 24, it was seen that core was very tough and non-core was much easier. So non-core was there to save you. So today also दोस्तों, non-core was very easy. Signal, analog, digital, control were very easy. Direct formula based questions were there. And दोस्तों, most of the questions were from the notes of the class itself. And दोस्तों, the Maha revision sessions that we did on our YouTube channel, the PYQ question series that we did on this channel, and the GBG, the formula revision series, as well as the Maha Abhyas series that we did on YouTube, they were very helpful. Students are telling that from Maha revision only directly questions were there. From formula revisions, directly formulas were used by the students and they were getting directly answers. So these sessions are very helpful. And दोस्तों, the questions were directly from the class notes. Sir.
So on 8th and 9th, we are going to conduct Maha revision, formula revision and GBG sessions for EC students. And as Siddharth sir already suggested, that the students who till the date who have not covered, like some subjects, if they have not covered, try to cover it from Maha revision and Maha Abhyas session, because questions are coming directly formula based, and if you cover that Maha revision and Maha Abhyas session, you will get the marks out of those questions. And if you leave those questions, that could be rank deciding questions, because you will lose the marks out of those questions. And 8th and 9th ECU student, try to attend the session of formula revision and GBG session, which is going to help you in a big way for your examination on 15th of February.
So thank you, dear students. I hope this analysis of GATE 2025 is helpful for students who are attempting 2026 as well as 27. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.